Good morning, student. I am your Stephen sir from ICRA English Medium. Today I am going to teach you grammar, and today's our topic will be verbs. So, what is verbs according to you, my dear student? Verb is an action word which daily which we use in our day-to-day life. A complete sentence is made up of a subject and a predicate. So, first of all, we'll look into this what is subject and predicate. Whatever type of a sentence you see, any type of a sentence, in that sentence divide into two equal parts. One part of a subject, one part of the line is a subject, and more than half part of the line is a predicate. The main word is a predicate is a verb. So wherever you see this verb, you have to understand that in that line it has given its name called predicates. Verbs performs different functions. Some verbs shows the action of the subject, link the subject to the noun or adjective in the predicate, works as helping verb with main verb. So here basically in this 3 point they have highlighted that verb has many tasks to do. Not even only one task it has to do, it has many tasks to do. 1, 2 and 3 as you can see in this picture. Next, action word or action verbs tell what the subject of a sentence does. So here in the verb, if we want to say that action words or either if we want to say action verb, both are same. It tells what the subject of the sentence does. Subject of the sentence, what does it do? It tells the thing. Here there is a small chart which is given physical and mental. It means they are trying to say is that action is of two type. One which is physical. Physical means what? If I'll tell you I have picked up the phone call, I am riding cycle, I am driving a car, that is a physical thing. And what is mentally thing which is totally different from physical thing? Physical means in which your body is involved. Mentally in which your body is not involved, or either we cannot see it. So let us see first example in left side. Tell us about an action that can be seen. In the physical format, action can be seen. Like you can see the baby small child is crying, or you might have seen a slap means thappad. So in this thing your body is involved, right? In cry also your body is involved. If someone slaps also hand is involved, means the body part is involved in physical thing. Now in mental thing, mental is different from physical. What does it says? Tell us about an action that cannot be seen. In mental format, action cannot be seen. Action cannot be seen. Like you can see forget and think. Can you see think means सोचना, forget यानी भूलना. तो भूलना और सोचना क्या कोई देख सकता है? क्या उसकी कोई बॉडी है? नो. सो एक्शन जो है वो दो टाइप के होते हैं, एक जो है वो दिख सकता है, दूसरा जो है नहीं दिखता है। एक जो दिखता है वो हमारी बॉडी है, एक जो नहीं दिखता है वो है हमारा सोच, भूलना, जो हम देख नहीं सकते। दैट इज अ मेंटल थिंग। लिंकिंग वर्ब ऑल्सो कॉल्ड being verb do not show action verb. So there is a linking verb also called a being verb do not shows action verb. Instead they link or join the subject to the word or word in the predicate. So here another thing is a linking verb which we call as being verb which do not show the action. Instead they link or join the subject to the word or word in the predicates. लिंकिंग वर्ब मीन्स दो चीज़ों को जोड़ना. इट इज़ अ लिंकिंग वर्ब. सो हियर इट्स एन एग्जाम्पल. शी इज़ अ गर्ल, शी सीम्स हैप्पी. सो इज अ लिंकिंग वर्ब. Common linking verb forms in the infinite verb to be: is, am, are, was, were, shall be, will be, being, or to have, had. So all these things, it is divided into two parts: to be and to have. Other linking verbs to check the functions of such a verb in a sentence: interchange it with any to be verb. If the meaning stays the same, then it is a linking verb. Here what is one example is given. The perfume smelled divine. The perfume was divine. So here in highlighted word you can see it has used a linking verb and one which has no linking verb. Here you can see if the meaning stays the same, then it is a linking verb. Here other linking verb to check the function of such a verb in a sentence: interchange it with any to be a verb. Here is a perfect example. You can see the smell divine. So here it's a perfect example for you to check it out how linking verb works. If you want to use instead of was, you can use smelled. So in this way you can use a linking verb. Linking verb or being verb function as help verbs in some sentences. Here is an example. Ram is writing a letter. Is a helping verb or a linking verb? Is you might have seen many times. It's a helping verb or a linking verb. Link मतलब दो चीज़ों को जोड़ना, दो अलग अलग ट्रेन की पटरियों को साथ में लेके आना. And writing is a main verb. Writing means लिखना, action हो गया, वो main verb हो गया. So you can take a screenshot of this common helping verb which will help for you. In the form of to do verb, do के अंदर all will be do, does, doing, did, done function as the main verb. Helping verb mostly in questions and negative sentences. A helping verb comes before the main verb. Verb phrases may consist of more than one helping verb. So here what in this first point it is written, main verb, helping verb phrases may consist of more than one helping verb. It doesn't mean that only one helping verb is used in a sentence. It can be more than one. May have a pronoun or an adverb. So here it says that it might have pronoun or it might have adverb also. Between the helping verb are the main verb. So in between the helping verb there might be a main verb. So you might, there is one example, HV means helping verb and MV means main verb. So here, does she want something? So here it's a helping verb does and want means a main verb. So here you can see the perfect example over here what it is written definitions. May have pronoun or adverb and between the may helping or main verb. So here it is a helping verb you can see, and here it's a main verb. To get you more clarity of this topic, I hope you understood this topic. Thank you so much.